This is the Ford F-150 2015-2020, and lots of people ask where is the navigation card, SD card for the navigation in Sync 3. And the answer is pretty simple. There is no SD card in these cars. So the navigation data maps are stored on the hard drive in the Sync 3. It means that you will not have any SD card, USB drive or whatever for the maps. And it also means that you can update the maps using the USB, Sync USB, one of those USB ports. You will need to prepare your USB stick to upload the fresh software, and then when you have the fresh software update installed, you can also buy map update online. It will cost you about $150 if you just order the USB stick. So they will deliver the USB stick to you, just install it and the maps update. Or it will cost you about $100 if you use the digital download and prepare the USB stick on your own. There is a clear instruction how to do that, so you can easily do that and save $50 that you don't need to spend for a USB stick. But actually people tend to upgrade their Sync 3, install Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and they don't need the standard navigation, and they get fresh map updates free.